Hey guys, welcome back to another one. This is another Theta update video, and this one should be relatively quick. And if you like this content, please like and subscribe to the channel. It does mean a lot. All right, let's get directly into this. There's a couple tweets that came out recently from Theta, and I just wanted to keep you guys up to date if you are not following the latest news. They had an update just a couple hours ago about the latest hackathon. Essentially, they said Theta Hackathon is at the halfway point with many great ecosystem projects already underway. Start building today and compete for $500,000 in prizes for projects in the video streaming, GameFi, NFT, and general categories. And I think this is awesome because this is a huge amount of money, and if there's any developers out there, right now, the Theta ecosystem is not that big. So if you just have a project that you want to make, a quality project, and I'll show you one here in a second, I think it'd be very easy and it's very enticing to get a lot of prize money. I wish I was a developer so I could compete, but I am not quite there yet. And one of the most foremost ones that have come out so far is tickets. So similar to tickets, hopefully that's how they say it, and that's how I'm going to be saying it for the rest of this video. But Theta even retweeted this one, and I want to say because tickets came out right after the hackathon initially was released, so I'm thinking that this is associated with the Theta hackathon, and if so, that would be awesome because this goes hand in hand with Theta's vision. And essentially, I'll just read this real quick. We're officially live on the Theta testnet at beta.tickets.io. So come check out the event. And anyone with a MetaMask wallet will now be able to create their own events and mint NFT tickets on our platform, which is really awesome. And if we check it out, or here's the hackathon real quick, and I'll just skip over that. So tickets. Essentially, here is the website right now, and it's pretty slick because, as we know, Theta in the future, they are looking at, streaming concerts for like Katy Perry and other artists, and the way to purchase tickets are going to be through NFTs, and a platform like this suits that need perfectly. So you just have to connect your MetaMask wallet, you buy a ticket, which is an NFT, so there is ownership that is proven on the blockchain that you bought the ticket, and it is only yours. And then from there, you can redeem that ticket to watch a concert or a live stream or something like that. So I think this is perfectly placed and a great development for the future. And right now, this is 100% beta. And essentially, they're saying, welcome to the first official event on the Theta testnet for tickets. If you're here, thank you for supporting the platform. There's a lot of features, and unfortunately, if you want to save your event on the blockchain right now, you'll need some Theta testnet T-Fuel. So if you do want to play around with this, then you'll just have to contact a couple people, and they can send you the testnet T-Fuel. But I think this is a great step in the right direction. As we know right now, the Theta development team is a little bit smaller, so the more developers that come, third-party developers, if you will, that come to the ecosystem and start building, that is going to help out a lot. And this is kind of what it looks like in the future. The upcoming events, they'll just have a huge list of them, and then you can purchase the tickets here, which I think it's a really slick website, and I'm digging what they're doing. The next little piece of news that I wanted to share with you guys is the latest Theta drops. There's a couple of them, and one of them just dropped not too long ago. But as we can see, Theta TV, they had a tweet not too long ago about the creator NFT drops. So the real Psychoco was yesterday. Crypto Stash is, tomorrow at the time of this recording. And then there's High Gaming Hub on 10/26 and Just Weird Theta on 10/28. With the date subject to change, but there are a couple drops coming out back to back, which I did want to bring to your attention. And if we go to Theta drop over here, we can see this one just finished up actually, but it is nice to see that there is more and more drops, dropping consistently every single day. And here is a brief overview of what you can get with the latest Theta TV drop. And then from there, the other piece of news, not quite Theta related, but it's definitely Bitcoin, that just blew past all-time highs, which is really awesome. And that is a great indicator for the rest of the market and the rest of the altcoins. So guys, give Theta and the rest of altcoins a couple more weeks or a couple more months. As soon as people, think that they missed out from the Bitcoin train, that's when they will start looking into the altcoins, and the money will start flowing more or less out of Bitcoin and into the altcoins a little bit. With that being said, checking out the Theta token, just some TA. Once again, we are bouncing between layers of support and resistance. And now that Bitcoin is blasting off, hopefully we can see this green, this green candle, that trend continue. And we will leave this $6 support range and continue going up to this $7.25 approximate layer of resistance, and then hopefully just blow past that. And then lastly, just keep you guys up to date on the Theta Explorer. Right now, like we just saw, the price is about $6.09, and the total stake Theta is 65%, which is nice to see, because as we know, Theta unstaked quite a bit recently, and now that number is starting to tick back up. So there you have it, the couple pieces of news that I wanted to share with you guys. Bitcoin blowing past the previous all-time highs, the latest and greatest Theta drop with the Theta TV creators, and then also the Theta hackathon and some of the results so far from tickets. And if you like this content, once again, please like and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys on the next one.